I'll show you two ways in which you can mute the tracks or the clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here we have got a very simple clip, and if I play this, so you can see that there is a lot of noise, and basically I want to mute this clip. So what you want to do is you want to go to the audio track, and then you can see this is the A1 is the audio track 1. So basically you have to click on this M button, so which will mute the track. Now if I play this, you can see the audio track is completely muted. So this is one way to mute the clip. Other way is at the time of export, you can remove the audio from the exported video. So to do that, you have to go to file and then export the video, export media, and in here you can see that there is export audio checkbox is there, so just uncheck it, and then what will happen is that audio track will not be exported at all. So basically it will be muted. Thank you for watching.